Now, a question which a lot of y'all ask me is how do I prepare for H2 chemistry, especially like for those coming from the combined science background. So number one, for combined science, you have not learned metallic bonding, you have not learned macromolecules, for example, like diamond and graphite. I think actually you were tested on it, and also on electrolysis. So please read up on electrolysis because it is quite an important and integral part for H2 chemistry. And and also organic chemistry, you would have skipped the section on condensation between alcohols and acids, carboxylic acids. So please read up on that. Now, for those who are moving from O level and IP into H2 chemistry, please take note. Please revise your organic chemistry. Now, of course, because of COVID, you were exempted from the entire organic chemistry. So I encourage most of you all to revise on that before the new term starts. So I hope you have been doing that. And one more thing is also for H2 chemistry, like you may have asked me, Mr. Lim, what if I really did not do anything? Okay, don't worry because the JC lecturers will teach everything again from scratch. So we will be doing number one, mole concept, and after that we'll be doing redox and chem bonding. But when we teach chem bonding, it will be much more difficult because we'll be introducing topics like VSEPR, and also like for example like after that we'll move into energy of reactions. So we will teach you not just to calculate the difference in between the energy levels, like for example calculation on delta H. We will also be calculating delta H in different forms. What if there's a two-step, three-step process? It's otherwise known as Hess law, and we also have Born-Haber cycle. Okay, I should not move into too much details, but in general, you would be tested very rigorously in the H2 chemistry syllabus. That's what I'm trying to say. So now, one important thing for you is you have to consult regularly because it is less spoon feeding for the H2 chemistry on how it is tested. And one more very important thing is a lot of students ask me, like, can I just practice because similar questions would come up for the exams, very much like O level and IP. Not really. Isn't a piece of good news for you because H2 chemistry doesn't really test repeat questions. H2 chemistry would test a lot of very new innovative questions, and the best way to prepare for it is you keep an open mind. So when you have questions in H2 chemistry while you're doing your paper, quickly consult me, consult my teachers under SAP Academy, and also consult your school teachers as well. Because the more you consult, the more you clarify your doubts, then you have a better appreciation. Oh, this is how the concept is working, and for example, clarify some of the misconceptions you have, and therefore you can like H2 chemistry better, and you actually have a stronger command of it. So this is actually the trick in doing well for H2 chemistry.